I got a neat piece of software here that I'm going to share with you today. It's called Gif Paint. It's at gifpaint.com, and you can do all sorts of neat things with animation. This is a little animation I just whipped up. Let's get started. It's just like MS Paint or any other paint program where you can draw and do all sorts of things. You can change your brush size so you can make it bigger. You can change the colors. You can use ink dropper. So if you don't remember what color you put inside the eyes and you've changed it, well, you can use ink dropper to grab that again. So just like a paint program, but the thing that makes it different is that you can change the frame. So right down here, we have our frame counter. We're at frame 1. If we click the right arrow, we're now on frame 2. It's tough to just draw at this point. You could, go, okay, I think one eye was here. That was pretty close, one eye was here. That's very tough to do. You're gonna have a better time if you instead go to that next frame, then click here. This is onion skin. This lets you see a ghost of the previous frame. Then you can draw over that and change it a little bit. Go to the next frame, draw a little bit, change it a little bit. And finally, once I have all my frames, I can hit play. I can slow it down and turn off onion skin to see what it looks like. Not too shabby. Something that might be useful is knowing what's coming up, and so you can turn on onion skin next frame. So if you want to kind of work backwards in your design, you can see what's coming up or what's come before. Other useful things are, what if you want more than the frames you have? You can click this add frame button and get another frame. Now we're at 5, click again, 6. If you horribly mess up a frame and you want to get rid of it, that's what this remove frame is for. If you want to copy a frame, you want to reuse it a couple times, the easiest way to do that is here with our copy frame. Go to the next frame and click paste frame. There we go, I've repeated that frame. My tips to you are to take your time, make small changes, try different colors, and occasionally hit that play to see what it looks like. I'm going to record a video right now of me animating something and then speed it up.